Since the beginning of radio, television and electronics in general, resistors have been used.
Initially, the value in ohms was written on the body of the resistor. In the cases involving very large numbers, in addition to the fact that resistors were becoming smaller, showing the numerical value became impractical. Then they came up with the color code, used for many years, even today.
Let's quickly learn how to read color-coded resistors. Each color represents a number. Black color represents number 0. Brown, number 1. Red, 2. Orange, 3. Yellow, 4. Green, 5. Blue is 6. Violet, 7. Gray, 8. And finally, white represents number 9. Reviewing: 0. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9.
Now, the places where the colors are located have certain names. First digit, for the first color bar.
Second digit, for the second. And multiplier, for the third. We will deal with the fourth bar later.
The first digit, represented by the first bar, is the number assigned to its color. The second digit is represented by the second bar, is also the number assigned to its color. The multiplier, the third bar, is the number of its color, but expressed as a number of zeros.
Alright, now let's look at an example.
In this drawing, we see a resistor with the colors red, black. According to the number represented by each color, the value of the first bar is 2.
The value of the second bar is 2.
And the third bar, which is the multiplier, is 0. Since black is 0, it tells us there are no zeros.
The value of this resistor is 22 ohms.
In this other drawing, we see a resistor with the colors red, brown. According to the number represented by each color, the value of the first bar is 2.
The value of the second one is 2.
And the value on the third bar, which is the multiplier, is 1. Since brown is 1, it tells us we have a single zero.
The value of this resistor is 220 ohms. Let's look at another example.
Here we have another resistor, with the colors yellow, white, orange.
According to each color, the first bar, the yellow one, indicates 4. The second, white, indicates 9. The multiplier, orange, indicates 3.
That is, 3 zeros. The value of the resistor is 49,000 ohms, which is represented as 49K.
Our last example.
This last resistor has the colors brown, green. The values represented are 1, 5, 5. That is, 1, 5, and 5 zeros. The value in ohms for this resistor is 1.5 million ohms.
In other words, 1.5 megohms.
As to the fourth bar, it tells us the quality of the resistor in terms of tolerance regarding the precision of the stated value. If there is no fourth bar, the tolerance will be 20%. This means a 100 ohm resistor can actually be anywhere from 80 to 120 ohms.
It can be used in circuits not intended as very precise.
If the fourth bar is silver, the tolerance is 10%.
It's a little bit better.
If the fourth bar is gold, the tolerance is 5%, which is much better for most applications. I hope this video has been useful to you. Thanks for watching and, please, subscribe to my channel.
Shava Tareen.